Hello everybody, welcome to a new series I'm making called I Check Out Bad Games So You Don't Have To. So I was playing this little fireworks simulator and I was about to make a missile set that would make North Korea fear me when I got an ad for this game. And, I love destroying shit, so I decided to check it out. The reviews weren't so good and, oh god, I can tell why. You might not see it, but Jesus Christ, the sensitivity on this thing is shit. And, okay, sweet. So it seems like this game does have physics, I guess. Granted, they're not very good physics. And we're done with level 1. Nice. You win. Perfect. Fuck. Guys. Hold on. No thanks. Okay. There we go. Now we're turning. Okay. Why not upgrade it, I guess? Why not? Yay! Okay, from the looks of it, this game is quote-unquote okay. But this is from the same guy who, enjoyed the Star Wars prequels, so, I'll take it with a grain of salt. Wow, that's one. Our first ad of the day. Boom Rockets 3D. I might check that out in a future video. Oh, would you look at that, 2.9. I clicked the X. God. That's what happens when you make the X's small. New enemy. What do you mean, new enemy? Isn't this an enemy? I'm not gonna question mobile games. Die. The fuck? Why is my cannon doing that? Oh, we got a multi-shot now? Fuck. And yay, we get a gift. Sweet. Can I have it? Let me have the gift. We get a Lego cannon. Oh. Well, it's obligatory games where you have to watch an ad to get new stuff. I'll be back. I think these ads know that I like destruction games. Great. Actually, I might not call this series, I play terrible games so you don't have to. I might just call it mobile game reviews. So I might do this, after this video. Boom Rockets 3D. We get almost a 5-star rating, even though we actually only have a 2.9 star rating. Cannon demolition. Yeah. This is a game. Now we have the Lego cannon. Give me more of an explosion. Okay. We fire our Lego balls. Oh god. Easiest way to take out building. Aim for the stairs. I said aim for the stairs. There we go. Yay, Facebook. Sweet, nice. You win. Perfect. Sorry. This is just a mediocre destruction game. Like a very, very mediocre destruction game. When I say very mediocre, I mean, like, super mediocre. Did you see that I just took out that tower in, like, 2 hits? What the? Physic dust. Hold on, I gotta check out this game, see what the rating is. 2.6. Oh boy. Another game we might need to check out. We have a few games we can check out. You win, perfect. Oh shit. Oh no, we're going after the oil rigs. This is for the turtles, you bitch! Are those dynamites? Those are dynamites. Never fuck with the turtles. Whee! Okay, that thing is not a... That thing does not abide by the laws of physics itself. Yeah, okay, seriously, the fuck? Alright, give me that multi-shot. Stop not abiding by the laws of physics and die! Another one of these games. This game looks cool. It might have a cool, like, concept, but it's probably, like, you know, terrible execution. What is this game? Swordplay. Ninja Slice Runner 3D. 5 stars. Trust me, I've been on the App Store millions of times. No game gets 5 stars. Oh, this one has like a 4-star review. We might have to check that out later. One day. This might be the last one I do. Yeah, this might be the last round. A tank! We get to drive a motherfucking army tank. Bricks Ball Crusher. Balls. Well, that's a nice ad. I like that ad. It doesn't force you through a video. It just gives you the ad and then you can skip. Hey, I heard Osama bin Laden lives here. Prepare to die. Okay, that was a stupid... Well, okay then. So yeah, I think that's going to conclude today's episode of Mobile Game Reviews. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see next. That is if comments are enabled, because actually, now that I think about it, YouTube's been enabling my comments a lot more recently. I think it's because my voice is deepening, but I haven't showed my face in worry. In fact, because you haven't seen my face in a while, I'm actually starting to grow a mustache. So maybe that'll finally convince YouTube that I'm older than they think I am. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see next. Give me that ad revenue, despite that fact that I'm only 9 minutes. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Don't play mobile games. I said don't play mobile